When I was younger, I just started tinkering with remotes, taking them apart, rebuilding them, putting them back together. Then it started when I was in my teens on computers. I tore apart computers and I rebuilt them all day. Then when I got my first truck is when I really got into automotives. I started tearing it apart, fixing it. And I started out in the bottom position of the wash rag and I worked my way up to yard, and then I worked my way up to apprentice mechanic, which is like a program that Sun State runs to get you into the trade. A future tech can expect in their first job struggle and learning. You gotta be hands-on, you gotta trust the people around you, and don't be afraid to ask questions. There's never a wrong answer and there's never a wrong question. A work-life balance, we get vacation, sick time, and you work anywhere from 40 to 60 hours a week. You're away from home a little more than you would in a part-time job or a 40-hour-a-week job, but it actually pays off in the long run. Coming out of high school and getting into being a tech, there's a lot of debt you accrue, but if you own your own house or you rent, you can start writing off a lot of your tools to benefit you in your tax bracket. So working with all these guys, we're basically a family. If one of us isn't succeeding, none of us are. So you got a question, you need help, they're there to help you out. My goal in life is to keep moving up. I want to become a shop foreman, district manager, supervisor, actually own my own shop one day. What's rewarding is going home with more knowledge about the piece of equipment I worked on or finding something new. To me, I like tearing something apart and putting it back together and knowing it worked. That's the greatest feeling.